In this video, I'll show you how to record with Middle TV. So all you need to do, first of all, if you don't have Middle TV downloaded into your PC, make sure to go to middle.tv, make sure to download it into your PC and run the installation file first. After that, you will have to create an account. You can create it using a lot of methods, also Discord, Google, whatever you want, and just create your account and you should be ready to start. So once you do so, how to record, it's very easy. All you need to do first of all is just launch your game. The game will be auto-detected by Middle TV. Once you start gaming, all you need to do just press F8 on your keyboard and Middle will clip the last example 30 seconds of your gameplay. And then you'll be able to review or edit your fave and share them as example right away. Of course, if you don't want to be record just 30 minutes, you want to record an example 10 seconds or I don't know, minutes, you'll be able to go here to the top and you'll be able to find this clip. So first of all, you can change the auto key for record if you want to change it from F8 to something else. And you can even change this seconds. So do you want it to be only 15 seconds, 5 minutes, and even custom here, you'll be able to choose an example a lot of times. So how many minutes and also how many seconds exactly if you want to. So yeah, once you choose what you want, of course, you also here have this manage key options where you'll be able to manage a lot of hotkeys if you want to, like an example, start and stop, long recording hotkey if you don't want to record just the play. If you want to record the full example gameplay, you can use it using Alt plus F7, and you will be able to change that if you don't want it to be the default one. Of course, you can turn that on or turns off, whatever you want, and then all you need to do, just go and start your gameplay. Of course, one more thing here, you can even change like the quality if you want to, and also you have the FPS and the audio if you want to like capture all the PC audio or just some specific apps, and also the microphone source if you want to. So as an example, once I launch a game, I get like this notification, as you can see now, clipping Brawlhalla. It's basically the game that I opened right now. So once it's opened, I'm just gonna start playing and I'm going to click on F8 and I'm going to see if it's recorded correctly. Of course, as I said, instead of recording a short clip, you do have the option to record the full audio as it's shown right here using this keys like Alt plus F7. Of course, if you want to use any other hotkeys, you'll be able to change it from here very easily. You can even add your custom hotkeys for some specific stuff. So now let me just go back as an example to the game, and yeah, let me just go here and play like some random stuff. So I'm just going like that, and I'm going to click here, and it doesn't matter if I'm going into the gameplay or not. So as an example here, I'm just playing this, and yeah, I'm going to click now on F8. So as you can see, it saved the last 15 seconds because I changed it to 50 seconds. Now, as an example, let me just go back to Middle TV. And as you can see, I should find here the video itself. If I go and open it up, I'll be able to clip it. I'll be able to see the audio, remove the audio, share it with other people, and do whatever I want with this clip. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.